Siguro kasi hindi rin yun ang sabi ng DOJ kanina, no, na bad news, no, sad news na nawala na sa custody ng Czech Republic. So of course we would want him to be here so that we can already find out what he knows, kung ano yung participation, sino yung mga kasama.
Ilang ethics case po yung hindi po sa form and substance?
Marami eh. Siguro
Out of the seven?
maybe half or even more than half are not compliant.
Oh,
So
sir, sorry,
seven complaints yung 7 yung nasa docket niyo.
Nasabi na yun dati, 9.
nine, sorry.
I think 9. Nabilang, I think 9. Kasi ibang senators may dalawa, ganon. So
more than half nun yung
yes,
hindi
more
pumasa
than
sa
are not,
form and substance.
yes. May mga kulang lang kasi may matrix. So yung mga may kulang na info or meron kulang, so we will submit it back to the complainants para yung ano ba?
Sir, when you say hindi po sa form and substance, anong basically problema ng complaint?
May mga kulang talaga sila kasi meron tayong ano diyan checklist eh. Kapag hindi siya nagano, so
Sir,
so we'll submit back.
Sir, sorry.
Yung ano pong nag-reply na po ba sa inyo si Senator Bato doon sa pakiusap?
I think meron ng ano, they're just waiting for the final decision. They are already considering. So yun ang magandang balita, no. They're already considering.
Camp Nisan ba to?
Yes, pero
Considering na ano, sir?
malay mo, para namang ano, parang pag-uusapan na raw nila.
Sir, ano yung consider nila, sir?
Whether to waive the salaries and allowances, recommended, no, as we recommended.
Sir, ni-relay po
Ano lang naman yun, kasi nga sabi ko, kung susundin talaga natin yung rules sa korte nga, tinaabot tayo ng taon eh, di ba, minsan. Kasi kung susundin mo talaga yung rules, medyo matagal-tagal, tedious yung process. So, para na lang mawala yung pressure sa Senate, mawala rin pressure sa, bawa kay Senator De La Rosa, siguro, yung request natin, ito voluntary na lang, forgo o yung kanyang or waive niya yung salaries and allowances. That's also seconded, sinang-ayunan din naman ni Senate President Soto yon, no?
Paano yan, sir? Pinaabot ng office niya sa inyo?
Naman, may mga nagpaparating kasi hindi rin namin alam kung paano get in touch with, we don't know how to get in touch with him, no? Kaya lang meron namang parating na bukang namin na pinag-uusapan na nila ng kanyang kampo. Hopefully, magkaroon na ng positive development by next week.
Sir, tama ba? Si Senting lang yung dumating ngayong araw sa ethics hearing.
Yes, lahat wala eh. Kasi we're still on break and I think babalik tayo by next week. So marami siguro attending to their personal matters, family matters. So meron namang may usapan naman yung committee, even we consulted Vice Chair Pangilinan on this matter, that as long as all the members authorized yung kanilang representative to join the meeting, okay lang,
Sir,
okay lang to grow. So anyway, we just discuss mostly we just resolve yung mga administrative matters
Sir,
para lang tuloy-tuloy na next time.
Sir, on Zaldico, public survey, pagkukulang ba yung authorities natin na hindi na secure na nasa custody siya, or hindi talaga to under the control of our government? Paano po?
Well, syempre, I think yung una kong reaction dyan, the challenge is to bring him here in one piece, no? Kaya lang, syempre, nasa ibang bansa, kaya lang, siguro, dapat, ang doon, yung embassy natin should have, kasi nagpadala tayo ng contingent pa ron so dapat sila yung nagsabi una na nandun pa or gave the information on whether he's in custody or not, no, bago nagtulak doon. So sana lang ako talaga sana makabalik para to tell all. Gusto lang naman natin malaman talaga yung nangyari dito sa biggest scandal ever in our history, no, biggest corruption scandal in our history. Dapat talaga malaman natin. So, sino man ang masangkot dito, dapat malaman ng taong bayan.
Sir, walang pagkukulang yung government natin na nakawala na naman siya, sir?
Well, hintayin natin, no, kung ano pa talaga nangyari. Hindi ko rin alam pa, no, bakit na nagkaganon. Pero syempre, nung una, na-excite tayo kasi at least it's a breakthrough na malaman na talaga natin because he is considered as one of the main proponents, no, of the floodgates scandal, corruption scandal. So syempre parang big blow setback na naman kapag nawala yung inaasahan natin.
Ito, back to zero na naman tayo, Sir, kay Zaldico.
Siguro kasi hindi rin yun ang sabi ng DOJ kanina, no, na bad news, no, sad news na nawala na sa custody ng Czech Republic. So of course we would want him to be here so that we can already find out what he knows, kung ano yung participation, sino yung mga kasama, at kailangan talagang may managot dito. No, hindi pwedeng makalagpas kasi pera ng taong bayan ito. Yung galit ay hindi mawawala. Hindi mo rin masisisi ng taong bayan kapag walang naparusahan dito.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, salamat.
Thank you.